Hi friends, welcome to Unacademy. Myself Bhavani. Unacademy offers plus courses for Karnataka CET students. Students who are writing CET exam in the year 2021 and subscribe the plus courses. The benefits of plus courses are, first of all, you can get these plus courses for an affordable price, with less cost. The course is actually well structured, well designed live courses where you will have all the topics of class 11 and class 12 are done in detail, and also you will have a live doubt clearing session. In case if you have doubts related to the topic, you can clarify during these live sessions. There are quizzes at regular basis. Whenever you finish studying a particular topic, you can attempt these quizzes, that will give you a correct, analysis, I can say. You can analyze by yourself whether you have studied the topic, whether your study pattern is proper, or the speed with which you are solving the problem, is it enough? So you will be getting all the essential information you can do by yourself, the self-analysis. Number of batches we have, whichever batches you feel comfortable, you can join. There will be also daily practice papers for practice and also full length mock tests. When you attend these, when you attempt these practice papers and mock tests, it will give you a very good preparation and a confidence before you face your exam. Single subscription is more than enough student to get an unlimited access. Therefore, see to it that you will be informing your friends, relatives, brothers, neighbors, your classmates, your own juniors regarding the plus course and inform them to join this plus course. Now, while joining, kindly make use of this code Bhavani Live. This code is going to give you the maximum discount. Therefore, whenever you enroll your name, kindly make use of this code Bhavani Live. Number of top educators, plenty of batches, hundreds of courses, thousands of lessons. So you are having every day something new to learn under Unacademy. There are different plans, students. Whichever is the best plan for you, you can join. You can join 12 months plan at the rate of 12,375. You can join 6-month plan at the rate of 10,125. The comprehensive batch, which is for 8 months, has already begun. You can join these batches. You can enroll your name. Also, there is a Kannada batch. So the Kannada batch is for those who are comfortable with Kannada. You can join this Kannada batch also, but get the discount by making use of this code Bhavani Live. The Champions batch for the year 2021 has already begun. It has started from 15th of October. So there are different combination students. We have PCM, we have PCMB, and we also have PCB. So students, in case if you are interested, you can enroll your name in any one of these combination. Okay. And also you have students, from November 2nd onwards, we have practice tests. So these are free practice tests. In case students, if you are studying, in case if you have, see to it that you will be, practicing, you are taking these tests, and you are practicing very well. It becomes very essential, student. Okay. See, students, okay. See, KCET till now, the student, I'm answering your question, the one who is asking. Chemistry, Walla, you have written. Okay, I hope you love chemistry. So that's why I've given such a wonderful name. Anyway, for the time being, student, only the board syllabus has been, set. Now, whether that board syllabus, they have given a reduction of few of the chapters are reduced and it is given. But we are not very sure, even now it has not been told that those topics which are removed will be removed for the present 2021 CET exam also. Therefore, we need to wait for that, announcement. But then, there are certain topics which are, almost there. So you can begin your preparation from now itself. And you have asked how to study, isn't it? How to study? You watch my YouTube session. I have told you, I have given the strategy you need to follow for chemistry, how you have to go about. What are the things you need to do? So one video I have already done, so you can actually watch it and you can get some ideas. Okay. So students, as you can see, you will have a free practice test in case if you are interested student. You see to it that you will be attempting these tests. Even I take up special class, and where I have taken plenty of mock tests. I have taken mock tests in the YouTube also, so you can attempt those tests also. Special class is also free student, you have to just find out Bhavani. You can go to my description box. There also, you will get the link. Special classes are free classes where you can watch some of my classes also. Recently, I think I'm doing structure of atom there. The entire syllabus I have been covering. So you can watch all those classes in case if you are interested. See, tomorrow also I'm taking exactly at 10 o'clock special class. You can be a part of it. Okay. So students, try to study and concentrate on the competitive level exam. I'm sure it won't be a difficult task for you. Okay. Now students, as you all know, today I will be conducting a mock test on S block element. Now S block elements, P block elements, these are all very important chapters even for exams like GE. Okay, not just for CET, even for GE exam they are important. Anyway, so student, I want you to see the question, and if possible let the answer come from your side. Okay. All right. So students, you can see you said the full screen. Now it's a full screen only. So students, kindly go through question number 1. Among calcium hydride CaH2, beryllium hydride BH2, barium hydride BaH2, the order of ionic character. You have to keep in the increasing order of ionic character. So students, in case if you have some answer, you can give me the answer. You have to keep them in increasing order of ionic character. See, as you see, if you can see, beryllium B2 plus, correct? And then you have calcium, and then you have barium, correct? Okay. So size increases. This is having the smallest in size. This is smallest. Beryllium is smallest in John's rule. Smaller the size of cation, greater is the covalent character. Greater will be the covalent character. That means larger size cation will have greater ionic character. Therefore, barium hydride will have more. Then you will have calcium hydride. The least is beryllium hydride. So, answer is option A. Covalent character decreases, ionic character increases down the group. Therefore, beryllium hydride, calcium hydride, barium hydride. These you see negative ion is same, so only you consider the cation. Smaller the size of the cation, greater is the covalent character. So barium will have greater ionic character. Answer is option A. Students, is it clear? Question number 1. Okay, we will go to question number 2. Magnesium react with an element X to form an ionic compound. If the ground state of electronic configuration of X is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, the simplest formula of this compound. So magnesium is reacting with X to form an ionic compound. See, electronic configuration of X is given, formula of the compound is asked. So students, is there anyone who can give me the answer? Do you have some answers, students? Since magnesium is reacting, we know that the charge on magnesium is 2 plus, 100% it is 2 plus, isn't it? Alkaline earth metal. Now look here, X needs, it is an ionic compound. Ionic compound means electropositive metal loses electron and electronegative metal gains electron. Now how many electron it will gain? 3 electron. So what will be the valency of X? It is 3 minus. Agree student? It is 3 minus. Therefore, the formula of the compound is Mg3X2. Have you understood? The formula is option D, Mg3X2. Okay. Go to the next one. Ionic mobility of which of the following alkali metal ion is lowest when aqueous solution of their salts are put under an electric field? Okay. So you have to find out among these options, where do you see which one will have lowest mobility? Mobility means ionic mobility of which of the following ion is lowest in aqueous solution? Students, potassium, rubidium, lithium and sodium. There are 4 options given. The 4 options, which of that ion in aqueous solution has lowest mobility? What is your answer? Do you have some answers, students? Kindly put it in the comment box. As we know that, see, if you take lithium ion is smallest here. After lithium you have sodium and then potassium, then rubidium and then cesium, right? The size of the lithium ion is smallest. We know that smallest ion will have highest hydration enthalpy. Hydration enthalpy of an alkali metal ion increases with, decreases with increase in ionic size. So, then sodium, then potassium, then rubidium. So, hydration, enthalpy is more. Lithium ion gets hydrated. Because lithium ion is extensively hydrated, the size is larger now. the mobility becomes least. Therefore, lithium will have least ionic mobility. As lithium ion is surrounded by large number of water molecule, hydration enthalpy is more. Lithium ion will have slow mobility under the influence of electric field. So answer is option C. So I hope it is clear. Okay. Now see, this is a factual question. So in chemistry, we will have questions which are based on the facts. That is why you need to learn each and every statement, sentence in your NCERT textbook. We'll go to question number 4. The suspension of slaked lime. Now what is slaked lime? If you take a quicklime, what is quicklime? Calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is quicklime. Quicklime, when treated with water, you will get CaOH twice plus water. Okay, CaOH twice plus heat, isn't it? So calcium hydroxide and heat is given out. So this is slaking of lime or slaked lime. Quicklime with water. This treatment is called as slaking, and the lime obtained is called as slaking of lime. Now when you prepare this suspension, when you have the suspension of slaked lime in water, it is called milk of lime. When you have a suspension of slaked lime in water, suspension, or I can say paste of lime in water, then you call it as milk of lime. See, when you filter it, when you filter a suspension, then whatever filtrate, whatever clear solution that is remaining, that is actually called as lime water. So lime water is a clear solution, the filtrate, the filtered and a clear solution, that is, whereas the suspension of lime in water is slaked lime in water is called milk of lime. So question is this one. So answer should be option C, milk of lime. Okay, we'll go to the next one. If we consider beryllium, which one of the following statement is incorrect? It is rendered passive by nitric acid. It forms beryllium carbide. Its salts rarely hydrolyzed. Its hydrides is electron deficient and polymeric. So you have to pick among the four which is the wrong option, not the right option, the wrong option. Now beryllium, yes, it is passive towards nitric acid. It forms the carbide which is called as beryllium carbide. Its salts rarely hydrolyze. Now if you take beryllium in the alkaline earth metal family, beryllium is having small size. It has high ionization enthalpy, correct? Compounds of beryllium will be, being small size, largely covalent. And we know the covalent compounds easily hydrolyze, not rarely hydrolyze, rather they easily hydrolyze. So beryllium compounds rarely hydrolyze is an incorrect statement. So that is our answer, option C. Look at option D. Its hydride is electron deficient. Beryllium hydride. How many electrons are there? Atomic number of beryllium, what is the atomic number? 4. 2 are involved in bonding, okay. So if you count the number of electron, 2, 4, 6, octet is not complete for beryllium. So the hydride of beryllium is electron deficient. And you know, when you look at the structure of beryllium hydride, it exists like this, isn't it? I can say in a polymeric form. So this is also a correct statement. So only possible answer is option C. Which of the following statement is false? Calcium ions are not important in maintaining the regular beating of the heart. Now, do we require calcium ion for the regular heart beating? Is it a correct statement or is it a false statement? Calcium ion is required to trigger the contraction of muscles. If you want the contraction of muscles, then the calcium ion is essential. That will trigger the contraction of the muscle. That means it is very much required for maintaining the heartbeat. So this is a false statement. Magnesium ions are important. Green parts of plant, yes. Chlorophyll is a magnesium complex. Magnesium form and calcium ions are important in blood clotting. Yes, of course. So only the wrong statement here is option. The product obtained as a result of reaction of nitrogen with calcium carbide is. So calcium carbide combines with nitrogen and form calcium cyanamide, which is also known as nitrolim. It's a fertilizer. So a fertilizer, calcium cyanamide, CaCN2, is formed. Okay. Now in S block elements you will have, if you see your textbook, you have some small paragraph having information about carbonates, sulfates, all these things. So do not go to hydroxide, do not go to leave these part because they are given in a paragraph. So most of you do not take an interest to go through it and understand it. But they become very essential for your competitive level exam. Now you look here, on heating, which of the following releases carbon dioxide most easily? So among the four, which one can give carbon dioxide easily? That's the question. If you are, when I say carbon dioxide easily, then it should be least stable compound. So our job is to find out among the four options which is least stable. Least stable means the moment you heat it, it will give you the carbon dioxide gas. Now here you see there are two alkali metal carbonate, and there are two alkaline metal carbonate. You have alkali carbonate and you also have alkaline metal carbonate. Now how to find out? Certain points whichever I am telling you now, make a note and keep it, and you shouldn't be forgetting, student. In between alkali and alkaline alkaline metal carbonate, alkali metal carbonates are more stable. So alkali metal carbonates are more stable than alkaline metal carbonate or earth metal carbonate. Anyway you take it, alkaline earth metal carbonate. So this is more stable. So you cannot think of answer sodium carbonate and potassium carbonate. So that chance is not there. Now the second important point is for carbonate. So I need to see only alkaline carbonate because that is less stable. So in alkaline metal carbonate, the stability increases down the group. Stability increases down the group. Increases down the group. Okay. So stability increases down the group with the increase in the size. So when I say stability increases down the group, see you have two carbonate, magnesium carbonate and calcium carbonate. So this is least stable. Being least stable, it will give carbon dioxide more readily. So answer will be option B. Okay, option B is the right answer. So students, go to question number 9. 20 gram of magnesium carbonate sample decomposes on heating to give carbon dioxide and 8 gram of magnesium oxide. What will be the percentage purity of magnesium carbonate in the sample? This question is more of, I can say, some basic concepts of chemistry and also, a combination from the S block element also. First of all, you know that magnesium carbonate when decomposes gives magnesium oxide and carbon dioxide. So you know magnesium is 24, it's given. Carbon is 12. Single oxygen is 16 into 3, 48. So by the balance equation we know that what is the amount? 36, 76, 84. 84 gram of magnesium carbonate gives, as you can see, 40 gram of magnesium oxide. So by the balance equation, it is very clear. If you take 84 gram of magnesium carbonate, we are going to get 40 gram of magnesium oxide. Now we have taken 20 gram of magnesium carbonate. So 20 gram of magnesium carbonate should give how much magnesium oxide? So that you can calculate as 20 into 40 by 84, or in other words 800 by 84. So almost 9 times, isn't it? Because it is 800 by 84. So 9 times and point. So then you have 5 times, almost 9.5 gram of magnesium oxide. Now actually magnesium oxide formed should have been 9.5 gram. 9.5 gram of magnesium oxide should have been formed, but formed is only 8 gram. So students, it should have been 9.5 gram, but only 8.5 gram is 8 gram is formed. So in 100, what is the purity? So this will be how much? Almost how much you get? So your answer will be closer to option C, that is 84%. Correct? So students, thank you very much for attending the class. See to it that you will be attending my next YouTube session also, okay, where I will be conducting one more mock test. Watch my special classes also. Whenever you like the classes, kindly press the like button and also press the bell icon for notification. Do not forget to share these videos among your friends. Subscribe the YouTube channel also, and see to it that you will be, watching all my previous special classes. These are free classes, so come to the special class and watch it also, which are under Unacademy. These are free classes. You can utilize your time for these classes. So keep studying, and we will meet once again with one more YouTube session. So bye students, and take care.